Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we have a fun topic. Speak English like a pro in 3 minutes a day. Yes, just 3 minutes.
3 minutes, Kevin? Wow! This morning, I barely had 3 minutes for my coffee. But English in 3 minutes? That sounds amazing and easy.
It is. No big books, no long classes, just a little bit every day. Many people feel shy. They don't know where to start speaking.
That's true. I feel shy sometimes. What if I make mistakes? It's hard to just open my mouth and speak.
So here's how to start in 3 minutes. Idea 1, look around you. What do you see? For example, this is my lamp. The wall is white. My pen is black. Say it out loud.
Oh, I like that. Simple words, simple sentences, and you can do it anywhere. What's another idea for 3 minutes?
Idea 2, talk about your day. For example, today I will work. I will eat lunch. I will call my friend. Just small plans.
That's super practical. Or try this. Describe what you are doing right now. Like, I am drinking water. I am sitting here. Speak out loud to yourself.
Yes, speak out loud. The main goal is to move your mouth and hear your English voice. It doesn't need to be perfect. Small practice every day makes you better.
So, remember, 3 minutes daily. Describe things, talk about your plans, or say what you're doing. Always speak out loud.
Great recap. Now, for our listeners, what's one simple thing you can say in English for 3 minutes today? Tell us in the comments.
And if you liked this episode, please like, share, and subscribe. We love helping you learn English.
Thanks for joining The Best Way. Keep practicing, everyone.